hello, hello, hello.
Jambo, vitafunio, vitafunio.
What's vitafunio?
Snack!
Vitafunio is snack. Welcome to another episode of Fun Swahili, all night time Swahili in 10 minutes with
Snacking 7.
Snacking 7 and
Cubic 10.
Cubic 10 and Fresh Mommy. In this episode, we are going to be doing a lot of reviewing. Again, it's always good to review, going back and forth. I think you told me your teacher said you have to review something how many times so that it can stick in your brain?
2.
7 times.
2.
Marasaba. Marasaba is 7 times. That's how many times you have to review so that it can stick in your brain. All right? Thank you, Miss, whatever the name of the teacher is, for telling Fresh Brokumi that you need to review something 10 times. And thanks for sharing that. So now we know what we need to do. All right, so real quick, why don't we start with the alphabet? What's the Swahili alphabet?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V.
What?
A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U.
We are talking about the alphabet. The alphabet.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T,
All right, awesome. All right. Fresh kids at home, I hope you can keep up.
Too fast.
Okay.
Your mom in the
can
building.
Wait? What? Get your drink. You can come and take a piece. All right. So the next thing we are going to do is vowels. What are the vowels, Fresh Bro Kumi? Even Fresh Bro Saba, you can shout
vowels.
Yeah, the
The vowels are.
You want me to ask you what this color is?
I know. What?
What color is this? Nyekundu is red. Awesome. What's the vowels?
I, O,
A-E-I-O-U. Awesome. And then you remember the syllables. These are the ba, baby, bobu, da, daddy, dodu, and so on. You want to make sure that you are practicing those because they help you with how to pronounce the words in Swahili. Then in Swahili we don't have letters what and what. Fresh Bokumi. What are the 2 letters we don't have in Swahili?
Q.
And
not C. X.
hurry up, we're waiting for you. Awesome. And then letter C never ever appears by itself in Swahili. You have to combine it with something like CH, like that. All right?
Right.
M and N are kind of like vowels, though they can be said by themselves. Lastly, the sound in Swahili never ever changes. So we don't have like letter A sounding like I and then sounding like A. All right? Awesome. All right. Now, remind me the greetings, Fresh Bokumi. How do you say hello in Swahili?
That's
introducing
hello
yourself.
Is Jambo.
Hujambo or Jambo. And how do you respond to that?
Jambo.
Jambo. Good job. And how do you say how are you?
Abarigani.
Good job. How do you respond? Like if you wanted to say you're good. And if you're not good?
Sinzuri.
Good job. Now introduce yourself. Fresh Prosaba, hurry up. Introduce yourself.
Okay.
Jina langu
ni Fresh Prosaba.
Niko na
Sabanos. Tripping. Niko na miaka 10. Naenda shule Foxborough. Wait, did I already say niko na miaka 10? If I didn't say that, I just said it.
Okay, all right.
And then,
are you back, sweetheart? Come back. All right, introduce yourself. First of all, how do you say hello?
Yeah, just Jambo.
All right, introduce yourself, please.
Nina.
No, Jina langu.
Jina langu ni Fresh Bro. I mean, jina langu ni Eating 7.
Jina langu ni
Eating 7/Fresh Bro 7.
Uh-huh.
Oh no.
Niko na miaka ngapi?
Oh, niko na miaka 7.
Aha. Ninaenda shule?
Gani? Ninaenda. That's the question, right? Gani.
Unaenda shule gani?
Ninaenda shule Foxborough.
Aha.
Unaenda kazi wapi?
Oh, mimi nafanya kazi
Kazi.
Aha. Good job. All right, now again we are going to review. I'm just gonna randomly pick words to see if you know them. Fresh kids, I hope that you remember all the words we've been learning. Again, if you don't remember, just keep practicing. And for the most part, we are getting all our words from our book of activities. All right, let's go.
Naenda wapi Fresh Bro Saba?
Fresh Bro Saba, come back. Good job. Very good. Look at you. All right, so come back in the video. Rudi kwa video.
God. Oh, I almost wounded my Rubik's Cube.
Good. Look at you. You're dropping those words like whatever.
I'm dropping cubes too.
All right, tuanze. What is amka?
Wake up.
What is lala?
Sleep.
What is
Hey!
what's kumbatia?
Oh.
What's
Who's
busu?
that again? Kiss.
Omba.
Break. Pray.
Oh. Soma Biblia.
Read the Bible.
Good job. Kula.
Eat.
Kunywa.
Drink.
Kata.
Cut.
Pika.
Cook.
Ondoa vyombo.
Clear the dishes.
Osha vyombo.
Wash the dishes.
Tumia choo.
Use the potty.
Nawa mikono.
Wash hands.
Kuoga.
Shower.
Osha uso.
Wash face.
Piga mswaki.
Brush teeth.
Chana nywele.
Comb hair. I hate that.
Vaa nguo.
Dress up.
Vua nguo.
Take off clothes.
Wait, we need to hear the words. What's vua nguo?
Take off clothes.
All right. Vaa nguo.
Wear shoes.
No, vaa nguo. Vaa nguo.
Oh, take off clothes.
No, vaa.
Wear clothes.
Aha. Vua.
Undress.
All right, good job. Paka mafuta.
Apply lotion.
Weka mapambo.
Put on makeup.
Tandika kitanda.
Make the bed.
Vaa viatu.
Put shoes on.
Good job. Nenda shule.
Go to school.
Rudi nyumbani.
Return home.
Soma.
Right. I mean read.
Andika.
Right.
Fundisha.
Teach.
Soma.
Read. Learn.
Good job. Cheza.
Play.
Cheza mpira.
Play the ball.
Go
Gambira, hit the ball. Gambira, play the ball.
No. Pole is too.
Can I just have my moment?
Pole.
Gambira, throw the ball.
Pole,
Gambira, cut the ball.
Okay.
Mother always the exercise.
Okay. You're continuing? Okay.
Yeah. I
hope-
the next one.
I hope you caught those ones. All right. What is fanya kazi ya nyumbani?
Do yeah. Homework.
Endesha baiskeli.
Right. Ride a bike.
Ruka kamba.
Jump rope.
Ogelea.
Swim.
Suka nywele.
Braid hair.
Kata nywele.
Cut hair.
Tazama runinga.
Again almost. Watch TV.
Tumia kompyuta.
Use the computer.
Cheza mchezo wa video.
Use the
Cheza mchezo wa video.
Play video.
Tuma texti.
Text. Send text.
Piga simu.
Make a phone call.
Piga picha.
Take a picture.
Imba.
Sing.
Dance. Cheza gitaa.
Play the guitar.
Sikiliza mziki.
Listen to music.
Pumzika.
Relax.
Ongea.
Stop.
Fua nguo.
Do laundry.
Kunja nguo.
Fold laundry.
Safisha chumba chako.
Clean your room.
Safisha nyumba.
Clean the house.
Fagia.
Sweep.
Ondoa takataka.
Clean the dishes. Remove the trash.
Patia.
Give.
Patia.
Give.
Chukua.
Take.
Inua.
Pick up.
Weka.
Down.
Sorry, weka chini.
Put down.
Shika.
Hold.
Beba.
Carry.
Good job.
Beba. Carry.
Jaza.
Fill.
Feel. Good job. Mwaga.
Pour.
What's angusha?
Drop. And break.
Vunja.
Break.
Chomeka.
My word of the day.
Chomeka.
Burn.
Huh?
Burn.
Get burned.
Get burned.
Wacha.
Stop.
Cheka.
Play.
Cheka. Not cheza.
Laugh.
Laugh. Good job. Lia.
Cry.
Cry. Furaha.
Happy.
Kasirika.
Mad.
Get upset or get mad. Choka.
Angry.
Tired. Good job. Anguka.
Fall.
Njo.
Come.
Nenda.
Go.
Ka.
Sit. Like me.
Simama.
Stand.
Tembea.
Walk.
Kimbia.
Run.
Zimata.
Oh, remember last Turn out lights.
Washata.
Turn lights off.
Funga.
Close.
Fungua.
Open.
Ingia.
Get in.
Toka.
Get out.
Alright, we're gonna end our video right there. You guys, you are doing so good. You remember just about everything. I'm so proud of you. High five.
I didn't even remember Rosa.
Huh?
I didn't even remember. You know what? That deserves a Rubik's Cube.
Yeah. So yeah, you have to continue practicing. You wanna practice every day because that's how you're gonna remember clearly the fresh rules. Remember just about everything now because we have done this so many times, so we remember all the words, right? Now tomorrow we're gonna do some more words. What? Unafanya nini? No. No. Put that ulimi back in the mouth. Alright, awesome. Alright, awesome. So thank you so much. Again, if you're not subscribed, subscribe. Learn your Swahili words every day. What color is that? Blue. What's the other color that was there?
Oh, red. Nyekundu.
Right. What about white?
Nyeupe.
What else? What else is there? Green? Did we do green?
Kijani.
What about yellow?
Not sure.
Close to kijani.
Johnny.
Huh? Close to kijani. Yeah? No. Oh, manjano. Yellow.
Jana.
Yeah. Alright. And orange is?
Jano. Rangi ya chungwa.
Rangi ya chungwa. Good job. Alright, so again we're gonna end the video, but it's a little long. Asante sana. We're gonna review a couple of times and then get ready for summer. Summer is coming. Asante sana.
Kwaheri.